These are my gingerbread house walls and they're ready for construction. As you can see, I've cut out some windows over here, and then these are the little windows. I cut them in half because I am going to be gluing them like shutters. And I'm going to attempt to put glass, sugar glass on the windows so it can reflect light. And it's the first time I've ever done this. I saw a couple recipes on Pinterest, so I'm going to attempt to do that. This is the chimney, the front and the back, and the door. I'm just gonna prop it a little bit open. My dream house, people. This is my dream house. This is the sugar mixture that I'm boiling away to make the glass windows for the gingerbread house. And it's basically light corn syrup, about 1/3 cup, a 1/3 cup of water, and a cup of sugar, and at a very medium to low heat so it won't burn. So this is what the sugar mixture looks like. I don't have a candy thermometer, so what I do to make sure that it's ready, I have cold water and I just dump a little drop, and as you can see, it kind of made like a little ball as soon as it hits. So that means it's almost ready. It's almost ready. So this is the sugar. As you can see, it looks very syrupy. I'm not sure how to take out those air bubbles, but here we go. I put a parchment paper underneath and I'm just gonna pour it into the glass part where I want it to be glass. And just be careful because this is super hot. So as you can see, the windows are already hard, and I can pick it up. You can take a look. And see, they're nice and sturdy. And before I assemble the house, I'm actually gonna decorate it with royal icing. And I'm gonna do gray. So I just mixed a little bit of black and a little bit of blue to get this kind of gray color. So that's what I'm gonna be painting my house with. This is just basic royal icing. And then I'm just gonna flood the house. And my house is now ready for its embellishments. And what I'm gonna be doing is that I'm gonna create some garland, as you can see. And all I'm doing is putting some royal icing and then just sprinkling a mix of sprinkles that I did. Sweep that off. This is the 2 panels for the roof top and the garland with the sugar glitter, and the 2 side walls of the house, the shutters, the front of the house, the back of the house, the door, some more shutters, and this is the chimney. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do with it yet, so I have to like work on it. Once I assemble the house, I'll figure this out. So here is the sugar that I'm gonna use as glue. I use this instead of royal icing because it makes it sturdier, and then you just cover it up with the royal icing later. But I'm gonna show you the house. I did one side already. As you can see, this is the inside. Let me show you this part. So this part is gonna be covered up with royal icing borders eventually, but it gives it's more sturdier and it dries faster. And basically what you do is, or what I do is, you take your panel, and I can kind of even just dip it in there a little bit, and then you're just trying to do this one-handed. You're just gonna connect it, and that's about it. Just hold it for a few seconds until it fuses together, and you see, voila, all done. Okay, so as you can see, this is the house all put together. I got a little bit messy because I just kind of rushed it a little bit too much and didn't take my time. Oh, and the door fell. Need to put the door back there. But this is what it looks like, and all of this is gonna be covered up with some royal icing decorations, and then I'll finish up some of that stuff. But looking good already.